Okay, so what we have here is Bermudagrass lawn with a lot of fescue in it. Obviously, at some point, looks like somebody tried to seed fescue into it. There can be major issues with having a mixed turf. You really want to manage for one species or the other, starting with fertilization. This is the time of year you want to fertilize Bermudagrass and not fertilize fescue. So you really need to decide which species you want and stick with that single species just to make management a lot easier. We're at the point now where there's so much more Bermudagrass than there is fescue that we're going to try to manage this to manage the fescue out of the stand, which actually makes the fescue harder to kill because it's individual, it's on its own. It becomes stronger root system because it's not competing with other fescue plants. Eventually, after several treatments, we can get the fescue out, but it can be a difficult weed to deal with.